All right, inside this box is the secret to finding a really great sewing machine for beginner leather crafters and experts. The Leathercraft package for the Fabricator. You've seen me talk about the Fabricator a couple times, but I haven't fully endorsed it yet because I was waiting for this. Sailrite's been putting together a package that makes the Fabricator the perfect Leathercraft machine. Binder clips in here. We've got size 19 twist point needles, size 21 triangular point needles, size 20 diamond point. This is the secret sauce right here. This is a 12-tooth cogged motor pulley for the Fabricator. Anyone who watches my channel has heard me talk about a speed reducer way too much. Now, we talked about adding a speed reducer on for this machine, but they had a better idea to add a smaller pulley which slows it down to the speed, adds the torque, and the best part is it doesn't give you the additional noise and clunkiness from a speed reducer. It's actually a lot easier to swap out this little pulley as opposed to installing the full speed reducer pulley kit. We've got the smooth leather foot set, smooth bottom. You gotta love a smooth bottom. Oh, we got the left side zipper foot. This is exactly what I like to sew with, because if you have both sides of the feet, then it's really hard to see where you're sewing. And I like to just clear everything out, get a really nice clear view of what you're sewing, and also you're good to go if you're trying to do a zipper. This is the timing belt that you need to switch over to if you add the 12-tooth pulley. We got all kinds of thread. We've got V92 bonded polyester. We've got 138 bonded nylon, black 92 polyester, and 138 bonded nylon. They include a awl. It's the same awl that I've been using for years, one of the first things I bought, and they throw it in there for you. More needles that I missed, size 22 diamond point, a swing gauge sewing fence. This stays on the machine, lets you swing it down so that you can have a nice straight guide if you're trying to sew a straight edge. So we got the installation guide. One thing that Sailrite's always really good at is creating these super useful visuals that make it really easy to install things. You will not get lost. All the support's there. Man, I love Sailrite. And a thread burner, also known as a thread zapper. Everyone loves those. Now you can go buy a Sailrite Fabricator machine. Make sure you add this kit to cart before you do. You've got a really awesome leather sewing machine ready to go. A lot more videos to come about this machine and this kit. This is just the unboxing of it all. Okay, bye.